Hi, friends. Today, I'm going to share with you a refreshing and healthy green smoothie recipe. Let's explore together the amazing benefits of this smoothie. Let's start with the ingredients. Frozen banana, a great source of energy and potassium, helps improve digestion. Avocado, packed with healthy fats and fiber, supports heart health. Fresh spinach, rich in vitamins and minerals, boosts immunity. Coconut water helps in hydrating the body and contains many electrolytes. Chia seeds, high in omega-3 and fiber, helps you feel full. Honey, optional, adds natural sweetness and provides energy. Now, let's blend all these ingredients together. Add the frozen banana, avocado, spinach, coconut water, chia seeds, and honey to the blender. The green smoothie is not only delicious, but also a healthy drink that boosts your immunity, aids digestion, and naturally hydrates your body. And here's our green smoothie, ready to enjoy. You can have it as a light breakfast or a post-workout snack. It will keep you feeling refreshed and energized all day long. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy your smoothie.